Hi there, my name is Kirsten Jones and I want to show you guys something really fun right now. It's called our Holiday Hustle Kit. What does that mean? That means you've been thinking about Tupperware, maybe you haven't, I don't know, but now you are right this second, right? And you're thinking maybe you'll give it a try, but you don't really know, and you want to maybe, what do you think about maybe trying it out for the holidays and just seeing what you think? I always say that Tupperware is not for everybody, but it's for anybody to try. Try it for 30 days, see what you think. Well, it's the holidays. It's a great time. People are spending money, right? There's Christmas, there's Thanksgiving, there's all kinds of things that are going on right now, and people are spending money. So why not spend money with you? Why not make some money for the holidays so that you can have a better Christmas with your family? You can buy the presents you want. You can go the places you want. You can do the things you want. So we have something really fun. It's called the Holiday Hustle Kit. I know, right? It's a fun way to get your business started and see what you think without a huge commitment. It's $280 worth of product and it's $70. It's a really good deal. I want to show you what it actually comes in it so you can give it a try and see what you think. So this is our cute little kit bag. It says Tupperware on one side. It says More and Merrier Tupperware on the other side. Fun little canvas tote, right? Honestly, a really great reusable shopping bag too. So if you go to the grocery store and you want to save the planet, you want to bring home your groceries in your own bag, it's a really, really good size with nice sized handles. So actually, long term, this is going to be a great bag just to have in your house. But let me show you what comes in it. So one of my all-time favorites is the classic Shape-O toy, right? You all had this as a kid. My dad always looked at this and says, "Oh, sweetheart, I spent hours and hours and hours on the floor with you with that toy." There's so much learning that goes on with this. There's so much nostalgia that goes on with this, and everybody needs one. Everybody has a family member, a friend, or somebody that's having a baby. This is like the best baby shower gift you could ever give. If you want to be the talk of the baby shower, you give this gift, because the minute this comes out, everybody says, "Oh, I had that as a kid. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. It's exactly the same." Yes, it is. Fun little tip and trick, if you will, is that you pull it open to obviously to take the shapes out. And if yours is a little tight or a little loose, you turn it. So turning it to the right and turning it to the left. One way loosens, one way tightens. So if yours happens to be a little tight or a little loose, you just turn it. There's a little string in the middle that's wound up. So that's how you get it to loosen or tighten. So there's your tip for the day. Other fun things that are in here. This is so exciting for me. It's like toaster oven sized, which makes me very happy because I have a toaster oven. Silicone Baking Mat. So you can bake smaller items in the oven or in the toaster oven or whatever you want to, whatever you're planning on doing with it. But I love it's silicone, so storage space. I mean, you can fold this thing in half. You can fold it in a quarter. You can, you can take this thing anywhere with you. I love it. It's basically like non-stick, except for that it's much easier to deal with. So obviously you can't cut on it with a knife because you cut through it. But other than that, you can take this thing and do anything you want with it. One of my all-time favorite things to do with it has nothing to do with baking. One of my secret passions, if you will, things I love are chocolate dipped strawberries. I love to make them. It's just one of my favorite things. And they stick on everything. So a lot of people will put them on like wax paper or something like that, but sometimes they take the wax paper with them, which is very sad because it ruins the strawberry if you're trying to sit and peel wax paper off. But you can put it on something like this and it will just peel right off and you don't have to worry about the wax paper. And it's reusable, so it's much cheaper and better for the environment, right? So silicone baking mat, wonderful, wonderful thing. Everybody needs those in their kitchen. We have more silicone products, but this is a great starter way to show some people, hey, I sell Tupperware now and I want to show you some of the items. Here's a piece, right? Here is a brand new item that we have. It's our little, it's like a little baby cheese grater. It's so cute, but it's like a mandolin. So you can put the hard cheese in here. You want to put hard cheese in here, right? And this is the little pusher thingy down. I don't even know what it's called, but you put it in here and you go like this and you hold it up here and you can set it over top of whatever it is that you want, like a bowl or whatever it is you want to grate onto. Or if you were doing fresh ground Parmesan, when you go to the restaurant and the waiter comes over and says, "Would you like some fresh ground Parmesan?" Absolutely. You can throw your Parmesan in here if you're Italian food at home and have some fresh ground Parmesan. Wouldn't that be great? So all kinds of fun things. You can grind garlic into your food. You can grind ginger. I mean, because it's just for a small amount. And it's for something you just want to do real quick and just a small amount of it. This is, and you don't have to pull out your big mandolin. You have to pull out all your tools. Just grab this little speedy thing. So anyway, this comes in it, which you're gonna love, which is great. Our thermos. Oh, love this. So the thermos, you can, if you have children, this is great. Like I have really picky children for lunch. And so they, they don't like to buy hot lunch. They think school lunch is horrible, which I can't really blame them. So what we buy is the little pizza rolls, hot little pizza rolls, and we use our little toaster oven in the morning, and they toast them 3 times, and they stick them really hot in here, and then they screw this on, and by the time that they get to school, they're still nice and hot. They have a little fork in their lunch, and they can open this up, and they can have something hot for their lunch and not have to have pizza rolls. We have different sizes, and they stack within each other, so you can actually send other things as well. But there's lots of things you can do with this. This also keeps everything cold, so if you were taking ice cream or something cold, this double insulated wall on this thermos is just really amazing. If you live with someone besides children that like maybe works out where they don't have opportunity for microwave or things like that, this is a great way to send food with somebody that keeps hot or keeps cold. One of the girls on my team brought hot water in it, so that when she was out and about and needed to warm up formula, the hot water, all she had to do was open this up and put the baby bottle in here and set it in for a while, and it warmed up the formula perfect. Isn't that genius? So many things that you can do with this, but awesome that you get this in your kit, which is really exciting. Modular Mates, which this is not my favorite size, okay? But what I love about this size is that it shows you, when you look at a catalog, sometimes you see Modular Mates and it's hard to tell on the picture depth perception of how big one is or how small one is. This is the smaller size, so these are perfect for campers and trailers and boats and RVs, little tiny cupboards. You don't want to buy this for your kitchen. For your kitchen, you want our super ovals. This is an oval size, right? We have ovals and then super ovals. They're almost half again the size of the container, and they're exactly the size for a cupboard. What's awesome about having one of these that's small is that you have a piece to show them. You can show them how it works. You can show them how it's airtight and how your pantry and your goods stay fresh, but you can show them this is why you don't want a super oval, because if you put, this is why you don't want an oval, you want to buy a super oval, because if you put this in your cupboard, you're going to put it in and stuff's going to go in front of it or behind it. And if you have to unload your cupboard to get to your stuff, it's just going to frustrate you. So it's great to have one of the wrong size, to be totally honest, so that you can really talk to what the right size is. So I love that. In honesty, this is the wrong size, because I can say, see how in the catalog they look like they're the same size, but this is actually smaller. It's almost half small. You want the bigger size, and much better for your kitchen. So if you're buying for a boat or a camper, an RV, or you're putting something in your bathroom or in your not in your kitchen, then this is a good size for that. But otherwise, you're going to want the super ovals and the rectangles, not the ovals and the squares. But it's wonderful to have a piece of Modular Mate so that you can show everybody why it's awesome and what you do with it. You could put some crackers in here and then leave them for a month and then pull them out and say, you want to take one of these? And saltine crackers usually go stale, right? And you can say, these have been in here for 32 days and have a bite. And you go, oh my gosh, it's fresh. See, this is why you need these in your life. And then it has our freezer mates. So Tupperware has had, oh gosh, I don't even know how many I've been selling for a little while. And Tupperware has come out with so many different freezer containers over the life of all of our different freezer containers. And I have to say, this is just my humble opinion, these are my absolute favorite ones of all the ones they've come out with. And I'm not just saying that, I'm telling you from a personal perspective, these are amazing. Here's why. They have snowflakes on them so that you can, you know that they're meant to go in the freezer. The lids, I love these lids. They just go on super nicely. I really, really like them. You're always gonna start from the back end, so start at the bottom. So wherever the lip is of a Tupperware container, you always do that last. So you start at the bottom away from it, and then you seal over the lip, and it seals right down really nicely. Here's what I love about them. I love that they're bendy because they're made to go in the freezer. So if you put something in here that like freezes hard as a rock, you can pop it out. Useful, right? I love the sizes. This one is, there's one that's actually even half this size, and so you can talk about that. Even though you have this deeper size in your kit, you can talk about the one that's half the size. I find the one that's half the size perfect for my refrigerator, and I probably have like 10 of them in my fridge. I realize they're meant to go in the freezer, but they're an amazing refrigerator container as well. And I have them for all of the things that I might put in my fridge, but they don't need to be microwaved. So, because these aren't designed for the microwave. If you want microwave, you want vent and serve. That's our premium container for freezer to microwave or refrigerator to microwave. This is made specifically just for the refrigerator or the freezer. So if I'm not going to microwave it, like pineapple chunks, like they're half a can of pineapple chunks, or you could even, if you made halves of sandwiches, you could put them in here, or gosh, like half a can of olives, or things that you're going to put in your fridge, sour cream, salsa. I mean, there's lots of things in your fridge that you put in there, and then you're not going to microwave them, but you need a container for them. They're modular. They stack really nicely. the base of the container has a little ridge, and it's designed to sit in the ridge of the lid of the container, if you can see that. So when you stack them, they actually sit right inside and they don't move and they stay perfect. Love, love, love these. So, and they also nest really nicely when they're not in use, but honestly, they'll probably all be in use because these are amazing. You need them for your fridge, your freezer, everything. They're just great for organizing, honestly. You can even get ones that are a little bigger, and you can, as you have food that is left over at the end of meals, you can put those in the container and freeze them, and then you could use them as a soup starter if you want. Once you have and it's all the food you would have probably wasted, but now you can use it. It's really, I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. I love this stuff. Hamburger meat, buy the big, huge family pack of hamburger meat and then freeze them in 1 pound increments. So then when you need a pound of meat, you don't have to buy the family. So you get the discount, you don't have to buy the big thing all the time. You just put it in pop it out, you have a pound. It's great, love it. Anyway, these are the freezer containers. And then, of course, can never not have our silicone spatula. Love this. You know, it's a great discipline tool. No, just kidding. This is awesome. Love, love, love it. It's silicone, so it's, you know, pre-stained for spaghetti. It's not going to stain. I love our silicone spatulas better than any silicone spatulas you can buy out there. And trust me, I have used a lot of them. Mom had a metal one at her house one time, and I grabbed it and I was helping her do something, and I was like, oh, my fingers were all cramping up. It's because the metal one had 2 prongs that went across here, and these are made to be ergonomic, and they fit just perfectly in your hand so that when you use them, your hand doesn't cramp. And you may not think much of that, but we only get 1 set of hands, right? And if you damage them every time you use your kitchen products, over time they're not going to work very well, and pretty soon your hands hurt, and you can't necessarily always fix the damage. So you want to always make sure you have ergonomic things in your hand. Love these for that. I love that they're stiff enough to scrape a bowl and pound out hamburger meat like this, right? But if they're too stiff, they don't work for some things, and if they're too soft, they don't work for some things, and it's like the perfect middle thing. I flip eggs with mine. I stir oatmeal in the pan with mine. I flip pancakes with mine. I use them in the fondue pot. I'm trying to think of all the things. I literally use this for everything. I think I have, so every time I have all of mine in the dishwasher and I would have to pull one out and hand clean it, I go get another one because that means that I need that many in my life. And I think I'm up to 5 or 6. So I literally use them, and we run the dishwasher every day. So that's how much I use this. So I think I have 5 or 6 of these in my drawer because I don't like to hand wash. I just don't do it. So if I'm going to have to hand wash, I get another one, and then I have the perfect amount, right? So one of these is perfect to have in your starter kit. You're going to need 5 or 6 more in your life just because that's what it is. These are great stocking stuffers, by the way, in your holiday hustle kit because they just slide right down the stocking and they keep them nice and warm. And last but not least, I'm so excited about this one. Love this. Okay, this is our chop and prep. Okay, one of my favorite things ever in the history of ever. It's a little baby chopper, and you might think, well, gosh, when am I ever going to use a little baby chopper? All the time. Let me just tell you. So it comes with a little protective, I don't even know what it is called, a protective something. Make sure that you keep the protective cover. The protective cover, that's what it is. Keep that so that when you're not using it, you don't accidentally injure yourself. These blades are crazy sharp. You need them to be crazy sharp because that's what cuts things and that's what makes it work good, but I don't want you to hurt yourself. So never touch this with your hands, okay? I had some people put them down in the basket of the dishwasher to wash. Don't do that because when you go to pull it back up again, your hands get caught in there and you hurt yourself. Don't do that, okay? These go right in, it goes right in here. The little lid pops onto the little notches and turns and it locks in place. 12 seconds of pulling, this has gone around over 300 times. So this little sucker flies. I know it's not meant to do this, but I tested it and you can grind coffee. So I'm just saying you can take this bad boy camping and it will do everything. You can just chop up 1 potato for hash browns if you just have hash browns for 1. You can put in homemade bacon in here and make homemade bacon bits. Yummy! You can chop nuts. You know when you go to the store, regular nuts and chopped nuts are like 3 times the price. You can just chop your own nuts. You don't need to pay all this money to have somebody do it. But be aware, 1 pull is sufficient for chopping nuts. If you pull more than that, you have nut powder, not chopped nuts, because it literally will obliterate everything. I boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins, the real small pieces. You can put, if they're cooked, you can put 1 piece in at a time and it will shred your chicken. I know, I just totally blew your mind, didn't I? That's my favorite thing to do is like shred chicken. You could add one piece and add a little bit of mayo and some dill seasoning, and you can spread that on a sandwich on some toasted bread and have like the best sandwich you've ever had. I'm not gonna lie. I know that may sound weird, but try it. You're gonna mind blown, I'm just saying. Gosh, you can make homemade pesto. Like, you can literally do anything you want with this. It's just that amazing. I love it. It does come with, if you don't have our bigger one and you want to make salsa, it's not big enough for salsa, but you could chop things one at a time, then mix them in a bowl and mix it up. So you could actually do that. I would highly recommend investing in the bigger chopper at some point so that you can just make the salsa all in one container. It's easier. It does come with a lid. So if you make something really awesome and you want to store it, here's the only thing I'm going to warn you about that is that you're going to be really sad that your chopper is busy and you can't use it. So if you store it, it might be a problem for you. Oh, chop garlic and then throw some butter in here and then give it a really good chop. Makes the best garlic butter for garlic bread for spaghetti. My kids lose their minds over that, and it's so yummy. So you can do all kinds of things with this, but I love, love, love it. So that's the last item in the Holiday Hustle Kit. This is a great little array of products to get your business started. It's not everything, it's a sampling. But it's a sampling of everything everybody needs to shop for at Christmas. So it's a great way to kind of get your business started, get your feet wet, see what you think. Come join us, have some fun with us. We're an awfully fun time, and you can make some money and you might just fall in love.